this is the review of the Bleach London White Toner. As you can see, I have actually done my hair. In the previous video it is really yellow. This white toner, it suggests if you have yellowish hair, brassy yellow hair, after, for example, the colour that you get after bleach, this is the perfect toner. If your hair isn't already blonde, use one of the following, and it's the bleach, to use the bleach or the DIY dip dye or the bleach lights. That's the pictures. It says, and it's semi-permanent. It lasts up to 16 to 20 washes. It also says you can actually get the Bleach London, is it called silver or the purple shampoo? It's called the purple shampoo or silver shampoo, but anyway, the actual shampoo comes out purple. So to keep up the maintenance of this white hair that I've achieved, use the purple shampoo and the Bleach London purple conditioner as well. So as I have already done my hair, the next section you will see how it sits on the hair and stuff. But in the pack you actually get the Bleach London developer lotion, you get the instructions, and you obviously get the colorant, and this is what you put on after the Bleach London, what's this called now? Recoronation mask. Oh my god. This actually says to apply to shampooed hair, comb through, massage in, wrap your hair in a warm towel to enhance the conditioning effect. Leave in hair 10 to 20 minutes, rinse well. Use whenever your hair feels parched. Now, when you actually use this leaves your hair so silky. I've basically not wrapped it up, I've just used it as a conditioner, left it for a couple of minutes, and this feels fantastic and soft in your hair. Obviously, if you want better, just do what it says on the back. People, when the reviews that I've read for the toner, it does actually, people are saying, oh, bring out the recreational mask in a tube of its own. I don't know if they have or not, but I will link the Bleach London website down below, and you can just go over there and look at the products. It does actually say, I think Bleach London is actually a vegan friendly company, so this is very good for vegans out there. And basically they come with these see-through gloves, and it just basically says you have to wash your hair. So I just wash my hair with this argan oil from Poundland, and that leaves your hair soft as well. So basically 2 shampoos, and then you towel dry your hair, and then I just emptied this and what is it now, the colouring into this bowl. But if you haven't got one of these bowls, not to worry, put the colouring into the bottle and shake, and this is for you to obviously section your hair when you're doing it, and you just so yeah, this product, I normally have yellowish hair because I actually do bleach my hair, and this is the only toner that I really like. I do actually have thick hair, So normally I would, a couple of times I've used 2 boxes. I've actually wasted product, but my hair is nearly up to my bra line and thick, but this time I've only used the one and it has actually done all of my hair very well. So yeah guys, I actually do recommend. I am not being sponsored for this video, and so I will see you guys obviously at the end, and then you'll see me throughout the video. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like when it's drying. It looks like a grey whitey colour. Don't worry, because it really turns out really nice. So yeah guys, I will be back after I have washed it out and styled my hair, and to show you the end product. So I'll see you in a bit guys. Bye. So guys, I'm obviously back. I'm going to end the video now. I will put a picture at the end, and I will actually put pictures of the Bleach London shampoo and conditioner, so please look at the thumbnail at the start if you're interested. I will link the Boots site down below and the Bleach London down below. If you are new here, thank you for watching and welcome. If you could please like and subscribe, that would be a very big help, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Time of the recording, I didn't actually say whether you could actually get the recoronation mask on separate. I've just looked up on the internet. Yes, you actually can get it separate. So if you actually fall in love with the mask that you actually get, I would personally go over and get it in a separate bottle. So yeah guys, just for an update, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.